Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to share Outlook calendar with others. To start, open Outlook. Here, you are going to click on the calendar option. Now, click on the top and click on the classic ribbon for a better view. After that, you are going to click on Share Calendar. After that, you will enter the recipient and you can assign certain settings. Now, click Send. In the pop-up window, confirm the action by clicking Yes. The calendar will have been shared. Then click on Calendar Permissions. Here it will be possible to establish all the calendar permissions and thus manage the use that will be given to it. For any change, you must click on Yes. Apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.